Hello, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and what we got here today is a future project that I'm gonna show you guys how to do. Let's start with this one. People that never been in our business and don't know who we are or who I am, I'm kind of the king of carbon fiber. I make everything from carbon. This is a real carbon fiber. This is not a wrap or anything. This is carbon fiber. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. This is, for example, this is a Pantera made out of carbon fiber. It's super strong. We make those for speedrun cars. And then this thing have a big rudder. This is a C6 Corvette carbon fiber. This is how it's look when it's come raw out of the mold that I made. It still need to get cleaned out, cut the wheel bay, polish everything. But this is real carbon fiber. This is not any wrap or plastic, and they are very strong for use for speedrun. And please, speedrun people, you can contact me and order those. Those will not warp when you go very high speed, over 100 miles an hour. Usually the fiberglass and the Lexan body tend to press here and crash. This, you can put your entire body weight and you're not gonna damage it. So also I'm gonna start showing you guys how to make those. If you follow and subscribe and watch all our videos and press the small bell icon, you're gonna be able to get notification whenever I'm showing one of those videos, how to actually lay out the carbon fiber and how to vacuum bag it and how to do everything with it. Let's put this aside, and I'm gonna show you a couple other projects that coming soon. One of the other project we're going to do is going to be this. It's a Batmobile from the kind of late 90s or even late 80s. I'm not even sure. One of the Batmobile from the movie, and this is a special vehicle that it did a very limited production, and I'm gonna build a special car for it. So it's going to fit inside. It's a very odd wheelbase. It's not exactly a 110 scale. It's a little bit longer. This is what exists, and I'm going to try to make a mold for it and make it out of carbon fiber. I'm even going to use a small ducted fan motor to be mounted on the front. I still need to trim it so it's going to fit right there and make it look like if it still have like the small jet engine that the original car for the movie have. I'm gonna set up all the light. I'm gonna do special wheels for it. I'm gonna 3D print wheels, and I'm gonna go through the entire process on my channel. So you need to like and subscribe and press the notification button so you can see all this. So this is another very cool, unique project. I know there is a newer Batman car, and it's look like more like a Hummer with the big wheels. This one have a lot of class into it, and I would like to do this one better than the new one. Let's remove this so it's not gonna fall, and I'm gonna show you guys another very rare vehicle. The other project I'm gonna show you gonna be those are kind of old metal. It's actually the cast aluminum RC truck bodies. They made by a person called Don Knoll. He just passed away about a year and a half ago. And I inherited kind of some of his vehicle that he used to make. So those are kind of one of a kind. You cannot really buy them anywhere. And I'm going to make them into radio control. This is, for example, going to be a vehicle that's going to have a trailer on the back, and it's already set up in an angle to have another RC car sitting in an angle over here. This one set up to be like as a truck, but I will change it actually to become like a rock crawler. I have a couple of those vehicles now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make one. I'm gonna actually custom airbrush it and paint it and clear coat it, and then we're gonna do another one like this, and we're gonna ruffle it. Again, those are very rare. There is actually zero possibility for you guys to ever find one of those anywhere. And you can see it in our channel. We're gonna do the entire build at RC Monster Garage MotoStyles. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you can see whenever we're gonna ruffle it, and you can see all the videos. This is just a couple of the upcoming projects that we're gonna do. We're also gonna do a couple projects regarding RC Jet, the new F-16 from Horizon Hobby, the new Viper Jet, and a couple other cool toys that coming out right now to the market. Don't forget, like, subscribe. RC Monster Garage, MotoStyles shop in Granada Hills.